fix it. Mommy's supervising. Close up on the pee. Sorry. Now can you pick up for me? Pick up. Ooh. Your tummy starts to growl. Pick up. Do you have any other symptoms? Tummy ache? I do have a tummy ache. Pick. Ooh, that's shaking. I hear a rumble. Next time you should drink less juice. And I have a cure. You can either take the magic potion or just drink a lot of water. Or hold your breath for 5 minutes. Don't do that. We're on time. Abia? Get Nabia a glass of water. I will. Ooh. Okay. I'm gonna go get the water now. Let's go fill up a bottle of water. Okay. Messy kitchen for messy babies. Let's put on the fountain. This is as much as water as you would need. Here's some water. AKA, it's not filled with water. Ooh. And now, in less than 10 seconds, you will stop burping or hiccuping. Let's count, guys. 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, Mommy, 10. Hiccup? Let's double check. Mommy's gonna do it this time. Mommy used the juice. Oh, no tummy ache, no burpee. Oh, snap. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. And remember not to drink too much juice. Okay? And don't forget to ask Mommy if you can. Oh, and don't forget to leave a comment down below what you do next. Don't forget to click the notification bell